Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, no content, but today we are going to be checking out the Christmas price in the market. So in the market, but alright, so in the market, but I don't even remember all the price them go for nothing. So, but I guess we check still. I got a big boss. Alright, my dad. Never bad. Alright, so I'm about to make some checks and see what I want. So, but I am thinking that no matter how expensive the market is, it's always going to be cheaper than the supermarket. So, for those who are looking to save some money, and you know, you're always looking to save or to spend more economically, I would suggest that you guys check out the market. Yeah, just leave out early. You can't take the crowd. Just leave out early Saturday morning and check out the market. I mean, I tell you, say, you're going to the market, you don't know who you might see. You just, Jaja, God, what go on, my brother? Big up yourself, you know. See, I show you. You don't know, you know more old no donkey years, man, the region there. I tell you. But anyway, stay. Alright, so we reach into the market. Nah, man, put them carrot. How much them carrot? 150. Nah, I tell you. 150 a pound or something, but yeah. 150 a pound or something, but that's nice. Sorry, I'm telling you, I'm locked up in the house. Come in at the market and stop by a supermarket. Stop by a supermarket, go buy, look on them things. Cheese and peas. Cool, my brother. Yes, I see you, man. Telling you, you never know who you're booking at the market, you know. I tell you. How much? 150? Alright. Not bad. I tell you, come out of the house and come down in the market, come buy.
Carrot at 150, cabbage at 150.
Alright, see it there? Cabbage at 150. I'm sure you don't get them prices in the supermarket, you know. No supermarket now give you them prices. And I guarantee thing them fresh and nice. So basically, this is my market face. Hope it's spread up on these. Yeah. So basically I do it for market shopping from now. Not coming back next week. I said next week, certain so the price I will turn up next week. So I do shopping from now. But yeah man, so the market yeah man. Right man. The market that I go on, you know what I mean? Yeah. All my fans and my people them want to cuss me. Yeah. More time I saw you know the YouTube thing going on, I tell you it take time and it take dedication, it take effort. More time just have a lot going on, you know. And I had a few projects going on where the time just never did it at all. But back on the game you know, yeah, doing what I'm doing and see if we can get some nice videos out. I'm going to ask you for the please share the video. I need some. I'm at 256 subscribers, people. That don't look good. That don't look nice to me. I don't like that. Yeah, man. And help me get some subscribers, man. Why people don't like to sub? You know, I think I'm going to do a video on why people don't like to subscribe to YouTube. Alright, I joined TikTok way after I joined YouTube. I made over 1,000 followers on TikTok. Instagram are the same thing. But YouTube, cheese and peas. Nice man, just click a little bell man. Share the video them man and get me some subscribers man. I need to get to 1,000. Channel a 2-year-old, you know. Feel all shame for talk. Feel all shame for talk. No sir. But anyways, back to the market again. Yeah, so we're checking out the prices in the market and I'm going to try and upload this video as soon as. So if you want to see it this evening, market open on the Sunday. Come and get to the things them from now, cause next week they certain say the market price go turn up next week.
Cinnamon leaf.
No, we don't have no cinnamon leaf. Garlic was 150. Garlic was 150? 100. How much I pay for garlic?
It was.
Yeah, it was.
150.
How much I pay? Like 200?
Me buy 2, so 100.
You see it? It was 150. They are 100 now. People come out of the house. Come down in the market. Bag of pimento. Bill same man, and the real authentic thing. You can't cook the pork. You can't, right now, nothing at all. Rice and peas, everything of a season and bevel down with some pimento in it. That's what I do. So as we said, checking prices. And the prices are not bad this Saturday. So I'm gonna try and upload this video early. Hopefully you can come and catch the good price. Cause market look good so far, you know. Price them not bad at all. How much for the Irish? 170? No Irish I take.
Yeah.
170. Not look bad. Price not bad. As I say, no matter what, you can get them price in the supermarket. Check out the market, I tell you. How much? 150 for the sweet potato? 150 sweet potato. Price them good. I tell you, to try come to market this week. Try come to market this week. So 170 Irish, 150 sweet potato. And sweet potato is not chingy, big man. You never tell me yes till you boil it. Sweet pepper, 250. 250 a pound.
Pretty lady, frankincense.
Right. No, my general. 250 a pound. Right now, one of them sweet pepper in the supermarket I go to 250 feet for one sweet pepper. I mean, know one sweet pepper do we a pound. Yeah. Check out the market, man. Telling you in the market fully active, you know. Market fully active. Come and check out the market. We have to be more economical with the spending. See? So you know I should do a comparison. Same amount of product or produce in the supermarket, what it would have cost you. And I see how much money I save. Tell you, everything there in the market. Fish. Them purple fish are my general. What them there? Oh, see. Everything in the market. Fish, everything. I tell them. Yeah, man. Roll out in the market, man. Where you buy? Yeah, we need ginger. Ah, okay, circle. Them big ginger they don't normally have much potency. Yeah. No, it big and nice and then clean, but they're not strong. Liquor ginger, the potent ginger. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See, if you're a schooler about ginger, you understand? Not to know about the ginger thing. You know, say liquor ginger. Liquor ginger. See it all squad in the market. Everybody in the market. You have to come to market, come shop. I tell you that. Liquor ginger, the ginger will have a potency in it. Yeah. So we have look some ginger, but it look like a pure imported ginger there. Watch it again. See there? Everybody in the market. All the newlyweds in the market. But may I tell you, I got my ginger to this side. Get some nice tomato. How much are those? Pound? What a pound?
30 a day,
200 a pound. One thief on my daughter's style. One I could never hear me ask how much I does it. Big market guru ask but yo, more editor that part. Yo, how much I does it to me? How much I bought it to me? Anyway, what is that? 200 a pound?
150.
150?
Yeah.
Yes, I tell you no can get them prices at the supermarket. Come at the market. I tell you, we not do them shopping there. We want to save money. We not have to shop in the market. Where is me down? Never shop in the way. Alright, see it? I know me say so. Tell them. Yeah man, nobody go on like on too nice in the market. Yeah. All of we want to save some money, but I feel like sell the market, I know. Because a lot of people afraid of the market, you know. Based on what they might hear. I come to market for much years now, and I can't tell them, I never encounter nothing violent, the people are friendly. People, money people don't get it. Market is a place where people look money.
Market of violence, you know, but if you know,
Oh, that one they come, General?
violence anyway, you sell it to me. 150, if you notice in America how people are shopping things.
Right, but you say if you're not messing nobody, you just come and do your business. See that? And go on.
Just by accident a man might get shot. You're at the wrong place at the wrong time. Much here to me.
But see, the squad is there just in case. That me I try to show you. No, your face up there. Hey, no, me can't do content I create. Hey, me telling you, everybody in the market. Big up yourself and your family. Yeah, man. Everybody in the market. Everybody in the market. Yeah. You know, but we just capture the thing them and put the content out there. Put the content out there so you know what go on. You understand? Hey. So, on a proper side note. So look how mama give me the 2 bag and the stroll go on. No, sir. Hold on the people. Hold on. Before me talk about that, I look on them pumpkin. And them pumpkin look rich and nice. Watch your man. Oh. Watch your man. Pumpkin juice, yes! Pumpkin juice have to make mama yeah, mad smarty. You look on the pumpkin and rich and nice. Much a pound, mommy?
Yeah man, that's fine. But I wonder if you can.
How much a pound?
200 a pound.
200 a pound. Not bad. I tell us everybody in the market. When they are walk past, you know, and look. Now they nothing me say. Yeah, not to big up yourself, you know. Every time, man. Yeah, man. So let me telling you, so in the market, and I walk past, and I see the rasa, and I out and stop and buy out everything what they put on the car. The cane, lettuce, because I can tell you now, them producers don't have no bag of fertilizer, no bag of pesticide. The most natural thing them gonna go ever taste. I can tell you that straight. See, them planting and them thing are natural. No stop and buy off the whole car, no itch. Then I say my daughter now start a YouTube channel. Eh? Oh yeah, okay, I want family out. It's a good vibes, man. Money have to make. My daughter start a YouTube channel. Mama go on, good you know. Can tell us Mama channel. Proper video, nice. And then she say, you know, she big up her YouTube mother and father. So you know me and Marsha now I set for skin off with teeth and like where I say, wow, this is a moment for us. Me and Mama say, Tommy Chin and Wayne Marshall. I'm subscribed to your girl channel and I feel like unsubscribe. It hurt me, man. I say I'm bored for laugh. I have to ever never laugh yet. I have to solo about the laugh. Give me all old throat. I tell you, wicked girl, man, I can't believe. Tommy Chin and Wayne Marshall and our mother and father that are on YouTube. No, sir. Sir, but you know, check out our channel, Jordan at Dene. Go tag her in the video. Yeah. But yeah, that was just on a side note. So, lettuce, 3 bills. See it? I can tell you, by next week, lettuce will go 6 and 7. Cane, how much you cane? Cheese and peas, bills only. I mean, I'm telling you, say a nice cane. But next week, when you can't afford the market, get up out on the bed. Market open for Sunday too. I make sure I upload a video here so you see it from today. Get up out on the bed and come catch the deal them. Cause next week, sinners weep and mourn. And if you don't go to the supermarket, you go buy them things, well, pocket broke. Alright guys, so for those who love to scroll through the videos, they might scroll through and reach at this part. What we're doing is a food produce haul in the market. And we're trying to get a idea of, you know, market prices for this week. You know, for persons who are people who are trying to get their produce shopping on. And this is a Charles Garden market in Montego Bay. But for every parish there is a local market there. Check out on a local market. You have the money to spend, we know everything expensive. Stop wasting the money at supermarket. Come in at the market. Look on them pretty ginger. Yeah, market ginger them don't look so, you know. And supermarket ginger them don't look like that. Them dry out. AC dry them out. Now tell you no. Wasting the money, man. Spending the money wise. Plus the market is so nice.
How much is ginger?
You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Forward, man. Check out on the local market, man. You say we'll go run so now? I get some pepper now. Half a pound of pepper. You know, the food of is spicy, you know. The pepper up now. No pepper for killing, but pepper in half it. Alright, pepper for in How much? What you buy? Half pound?
Yeah.
How much is that?
$200.
See there. That's $100. I tell you, market reasonable. The market reasonable. Yeah.
How much me just buy? That's
So with some chocho.
Four.
String bean I look good in.
4, 6.
String bean I look fresh.
6 and 8. 1, 950. What is string bean? Give me.
So this is a different side to the market. This is where they do meats, but I'm going to look a very useful, I would even call it a herb. It's a bark. Yeah, and boil that bark and drink it. But you're looking fresh meat. Yeah, man. Right, I say I come find that. Mutton, pork, all of them meat, they come find that in that section of the market. But I look some bitter bark, you know. Yeah, bitter bark good for detox, good for a number of different things, you know, bloated. So, you know, people say, oh, them have gas. Yeah, clean out different parts, different organs will filter toxins. So the organ will filter toxin, it itself needs to detox. Yeah, the bark are good for that, so we'll go look some of that right now. 2 bills get a nice portion can last you for a minute. So mommy here too.
Good morning.
Bitter bark mommy morning, you have any? What?
No moment here.
And it done?
One super
Sure, no. Mommy don't have none, so I'm going to check here, so, and see if this nice lady have any. Good morning. You have any bitter bark, mommy?
No,
Chacha, you alone sell them thing in the market?
no, the lady.
She not have any. But mommy say up the road, but in whisper up the road. Hope me I wonder how I go on. I'll check out the road still. Oh, so right, that's a name here. So I'm not for that lady. You sell bitter bark, mommy? You don't have none? Cha-cha. No, so I tell you, it's hot bread, you know? Babe, over that side? Right. Alright, thank you. May I tell you? A hot bread. Bitter bark, a hot bread. Every other root or herb there, but no bitter bark, everything done out. This is inside the market, the original part of the market. Yeah, them a part of my granny used to carry me. Yeah. Anyway, the hunt for bitter bark continues. I wonder if that lady. Mommy, you sell that herb them and thing here, so? Somebody run on the other side. Oh. Oh, see, in general, let's see my bitter bark, bitter chip now, look at that. Yeah. A mommy? Alright, mommy. Alright. So yes I know this is the natural pharmacy. Yeah. You come and get the real thing them. See the Irish mash there. And them thing there. You understand? Okay. Big pot. I need one of them big pot there. They put the very big stick. Oh, there's some run on the other side. Alright. So the hunt bit about me finally get it. Mommy proper cuss me out a while ago, say oh the first me come shop our store and me should have come long time. So right now yes so me come get my thing there. And mommy have everything. Irish mash. What?
Everything wants to go in it.
Everything wants to go with it. So right, the natural pharmacy, alright so. Yes so. You know you look the natural thing them. Alright, I say come get them in the market. I'm going to show you the direction from outside guys so and she have them nice potato and the price them reasonable. So I'm going to show you from the outside if you find her. So in the market you can just do a quick shop. Ask for? Ask the Carol. See it? Mommy a good entrepreneur because some of them people are very wild. Sorry where you have them for?
No man.
They have them things them for. Right? So Carol is very customer friendly.
Vietnamese come here and the picture.
Yeah? Alright. So now look them thing here. Fine her. Yeah man, right I say thing them there.
So this is the
Me say, me I tell you, personality and customer service go a long way. Cause right now Miss Carol me go start by Miss Carol, me go start by. Me not tell you no lie. Miss Carol. Oh, Miss Carol treat me a while ago. Me think me go to start by me think them from Miss Carol. Me not tell you no lie. Miss Carol good proper customer service and interacting on these things. You understand? Come. You get the melon first? Melon the right side? Or you want to get it when we leave? Alright. Eh? Over gun court. Nice melon. Alright. Alright, mama say over gun court. They say if you don't know market. They say if you don't know about the market, you don't know where gun court. But you want to know, I don't know how you gun court. Find out how we do. Find out how we today. If you know how the market ready is gone. Over gun court. Top melon. Yeah, over gun court we are going over there. Top melon them there. I think I know how I don't know, but I'm going to find it today. Done I know. Done. How much money gone already? Roughly. For 6,000? For $6,000. And that is topping up for Christmas. That include how much more pound onion, pepper, want something like scallion, again, with sweet potato, Irish lettuce, cane, all of that now topping up for Christmas, but that's on the list. What again? Pumpkin, enough things, portion of things. Can't remember everything right at the back, but if you were supposed to buy that same amount carrot, that same amount of things in the supermarket, it would have way more than 6,000. I mean, it sounds a lot enough, stuff expensive, but it's still the economical way. Yeah man, make no way to the market, man. Alright, so now get the
I want to put us in the
what that, mommy?
I want to barrier.
What is that?
in here was falling.
Where's about eczema and
Oh
something?
yes, it's cleansers.
That one?
Any eczema.
How much is selling product?
1,000 my darling. Any
Okay.
eczema, move it fast and quick.
Alright. No, I don't need it, I just give her a feature. I look for the lady in the market. You see her, I support her. Come down in the market and buy the thing them in the market.
Alright, my darling.
You understand? I don't never, yeah. You have any, you can show your face so people can recognize you?
Not yet.
Not yet? Alright, no problem.
Some more cook. I want to leave from where I am.
Alright, no
I
problem.
want to go on TikTok. I want to go on this. I want to go on that.
But-
This is part by the bureau.
Yeah.
I want to establish them, but here I am.
I
Oh,
understand.
God
Alright.
Almighty.
I understand. But look out for the product. See our product there? Support and buy, yeah? Alright, man, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, me. Easy, cuz. I tell you, everybody in the market. Everybody in the market. Yeah, so we'll get some pine real quick. I don't want the video to be too long, but yeah, we also want to give you a little snippet of everything over there, I guess. Next stop, Pine Central. This man have the best pine them in the market. The man peel the pine them fast. Well, I mean, I know, I've never come here to shop and have a bad experience or see a customer have a bad experience. I'm not telling you no lie. So now look, I like me to tell one of the most friendly person in the market. That man, right, that's what I come. But you have to hold I find them, quick and fast.